Today grammar pattern I'm going to teach is the previous lesson, double negative pattern. I have presented 2 days ago. I have finished the explanation of the structure of this pattern and how to change the verb into negative forms. I haven't finished the explanation with asymmetric sentences in detail. So today let's go with asymmetric sentences in detail. Before I teach my lesson, I'm going to repeat it again in order to recall it. The structure of this pattern is there is no, who, that, not. Firstly, you will see the determiner, all, there, every. Determiner is followed by noun, which may be singular or plural. After that, the next comes verb. Other remaining words of the sentences. In order to change the negative pattern, firstly, you will eliminate all, there, every determiner. Determiner will be eliminated firstly. You need to begin the sentence with there is no. No is the negative form. No, negative form is followed by noun, which must be singular noun. So please be careful about noun. You need to focus on noun. The noun, which may be singular or plural. Whatever noun is singular or plural, you need to change it into singular noun. After that, you should decide which conjunction you should choose, who or that. If noun is a kind of person, you will use who as the conjunction, who will be used as the conjunction. If this noun is not a kind of person, that will be used as the conjunction. You will use that as the conjunction. After choosing conjunction, the next step comes. I think the next step is very important for this structure. You need to focus on verb. You need to change this verb into negative form. So please be careful about the verb because this is the negative pattern. In the negative pattern, there are 2 negative forms. So you have to include 2 negative forms in the sentence. So let's go with asymmetric sentences. Please look at the asymmetric one. All children like to play with water. Firstly, you need to eliminate determiner all. All will be eliminated firstly. So let's begin the sentence with there is no. After that, you will see the children. Children is plural noun. So you need to change the plural noun into singular noun. Child is the singular noun of children. So child is singular form. So you need to change children into child, singular form. There is no child. After singular noun is a kind of person. Child is a kind of person. So, who will be used as the conjunction? Who. After that, the next step comes verb. Verb will be changed into negative form. Don't forget to change the verb. So in this example 1, you will see like. Like is the present tense form. And there is no s at the end of the like. So the verb is plural form. Whatever the verb is singular form or plural form, you need to change the verb, you need to change it. Does not like if present tense form. If it is present tense. Does not like. And then other remaining words are to play with water. To play with water. So, please look at example 2. Every student wants to pass this exam. Every student wants to pass this exam. You will see determiner every. So, every will be eliminated firstly. In order to change the negative form, you will begin the sentence with there is no. And then after determiner, you will see the student. Student is singular noun. So you don't need to change it again. You don't need to change it because this is the singular noun form. So you need to write student. There is no student. And then you should decide conjunction who or that. Student is a kind of person, so who will be used as the conjunction. And the next step comes verb. You need to change it into negative form. In this sentence, the verb is once. You will see once. Once is present tense form. And there is s at the end of the word. So it is singular form, singular verb form. So you need to change it, does not want. And then other remaining words are to pass this exam. Please look at example number 3. All the ladies in the village left Consent Law. In this sentence, there are two determinants, or there. So, firstly, you need to eliminate or and there before you start it. And then in this sentence, you will see left, L-O-V-E, left. So please be careful about this sentence because left is past tense form. So you need to use there was because past tense. There was no is correct. There is no is incorrect. So in this sentence, let's begin the sentence with there was no. After the determinants, you will see ladies in village. The ladies who are living in their village. This is the noun phrase. Ladies in village is the noun phrase. There are two parts in this phrase. Ladies is first, in village is other part. Ladies in village, it means the ladies are living in the village. In village is adjective phrase. Ladies is noun. So in village, adjective phrase modifies to ladies noun. So in this phrase, ladies is the essential noun. So you need to focus on ladies in this phrase. Ladies is a kind of person, so who will be used as the conjunction. Sorry for that, sorry. Before you design conjunction, firstly, after no, after negative, what, singular noun need to be followed. Negative, what is followed by singular noun. So, please be careful about ladies. Ladies is plural noun because there is IES at the end of the word ladies. So you need to change it into singular noun. L-A-D-Y, lady is the singular form of ladies. So there was no lady. And then in village, after lady, you need to place in village after this word now, because this is adjective. Lady in village. If you place in village at the end of the sentence, it is incorrect because in village modifies lady. So lady and in village will be close each other, must be placed closely each other. If you separate them, it's incorrect. In this phrase, lady is the main point. Lady who are living in village. This is main point. This is main point. You have to focus. Lady is a kind of person, so who will be used as the conjunction. that, the next step times verb. You need to change the verb into negative form. In this sentence, left is past tense form. So you need to change left into did not left, negative form. And then other remaining words constant law. Please be careful about this sentence because this is past tense sentence. So the last one is number 4. Every flower in the national park is beautiful and fragrant. Every flower in the national park is beautiful and fragrant. So, firstly, every is determiner, so you need to eliminate every. And please begin the sentence with there is no. After that, negative no is followed by singular noun. No is followed by singular noun. So please focus on flower noun in this sentence. Flower is a singular noun because there is no s at the end of flower. There is no s at the end of the word. So flower is singular. So you don't need to change it. So there is no flower. And then flower in the national park. National park is adjective phrase which modifies to flower. So in the national park must be placed adjacently flower. Must be placed adjacently with flower. Must be in the national park must be placed closely to flower. And then the next step, you need to decide the conjunction who or that. So, flower in the national park. Flowers are blooming in the national park. So, flower is main point. So, you need to focus on flower. Flower is not a kind of person. So, that will be used as the conjunction. That. After choosing conjunction, the next step is very important for this structure. Verb must be changed into negative form. So, in this sentence, you will see is. You will see the verb is. Is this verb is the present tense of verb to be. The verb is the present tense form of verb to be. And it is already a singular verb form. So, you need to change it into is not. Is not. there is no flower in the national park that is not beautiful and fragrant are remaining words. So these are the examples I want to teach you for communicative pattern. So let's take a break here. If you like my video, please don't forget to make like and share, and please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you soon.